What if you could own a luxury Lexus that feels premium, performs like a dream, and costs thousands less than a brand new model? In this video, we're counting down the 8 best used Lexus models that are actually better than buying new. From legendary reliability and timeless luxury to incredible value for your money, these vehicles prove you don't have to spend a fortune to drive something exceptional. Stay with us until the end, because our number 1 pick might be the smartest Lexus purchase you'll ever make. Let's get started. We start with the best used Lexus sedans. Number 8. 2013 Lexus IS 350. The 2013 Lexus IS 350 proves that you don't have to spend a fortune to own a luxury sports sedan that's built to last. Priced between just $13,500 and $15,500, this compact powerhouse packs a smooth and responsive V6 engine that delivers exciting performance every time you hit the road. But it's not just about speed. This Lexus is also famous for its outstanding reliability, premium interior, and impressive resale value. If you're looking for a used luxury car that combines performance, comfort, and long-term dependability, the 2013 Lexus IS 350 is one of the smartest buys on the market. Number 7. 2015 Lexus GS 350. The 2015 Lexus GS 350 is the perfect choice for drivers who want luxury, performance, and peace of mind, all in one package. With used prices ranging from $14,000 to $20,000, this premium sports sedan delivers smooth, naturally aspirated V6 power and sharp rear-wheel drive handling that makes every corner exciting. Best of all, you get thrilling performance without the expensive turbocharger repairs that many modern luxury sedans can bring. Add Lexus's legendary reliability, a refined cabin, and timeless styling, and the 2015 GS 350 stands out as one of the smartest used luxury cars you can buy today. Number 6. 2017 Lexus ES 350. The 2017 Lexus ES 350 is proof that luxury and long-term reliability can go hand in hand. With used prices ranging from $13,250 to $22,500, this elegant sedan is powered by a naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6 engine that's famous for its smooth performance and incredible durability. With regular maintenance, many owners have seen these engines easily surpass 300,000 miles. Inside, you'll enjoy a quiet, premium cabin packed with comfort, making every drive feel first class. If you're searching for a dependable luxury sedan that can last for years without breaking the bank, the 2017 Lexus ES 350 is one of the best investments you can make. Number 5. 2006 Lexus LS 430. The 2006 Lexus LS 430 is one of the greatest luxury bargains you can find today. With prices ranging from just $7,000 to $18,000, this flagship sedan delivers an experience that rivals cars costing much more. Powered by a silky smooth V8 engine, the LS 430 is renowned for its exceptional comfort, whisper-quiet cabin, and legendary Lexus reliability. In fact, many car enthusiasts on Reddit agree that it offers one of the best luxury driving experiences on a budget. If you want premium quality, timeless elegance, and the durability to last for years, the 2006 Lexus LS 430 is a used car that's incredibly hard to beat. Number 4. 2017 Lexus CT200H. The 2017 Lexus CT200H is proof that you can enjoy luxury without sacrificing fuel economy. With used prices ranging from $11,290 to $22,080, this stylish hybrid hatchback is an excellent choice for commuters and city drivers alike. Its efficient hybrid powertrain delivers outstanding fuel economy, helping you save money at every fill-up while still providing the premium comfort and refinement Lexus is known for. Even better, the CT200H has earned a reputation for exceptional reliability and top-tier dependability ratings, making it one of the smartest used hybrid luxury cars on the market. If you want low running costs, lasting quality, and everyday practicality, the 2017 Lexus CT200H is hard to beat. Number 3. 2021 Lexus NX 300. The 2021 Lexus NX 300 is one of the best compact luxury SUVs you can buy on the used market today. With prices ranging from $21,500 to $33,500, it offers premium styling, everyday practicality, and the legendary reliability Lexus is known for. Under the hood, a responsive turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine delivers strong acceleration while maintaining impressive efficiency. Step inside and you'll find an upscale cabin with updated technology, including larger infotainment screens and modern connectivity features that make every drive more enjoyable. If you're looking for a luxury crossover that blends performance, comfort, and long-term dependability, the 2021 Lexus NX 300 is an outstanding choice that continues to hold its value. Number 2. 2021 Lexus GX460. The 2021 Lexus GX460 is built for drivers who refuse to choose between luxury and adventure. With used prices ranging from $36,000 to $48,000, this rugged SUV is powered by a proven 4.6-liter V8 engine and rides on a durable body-on-frame platform shared with the legendary Toyota Land Cruiser. That means it's ready to tackle rough trails, rocky terrain, and challenging off-road conditions with confidence. Inside, you'll enjoy a refined, spacious cabin packed with premium comfort and classic Lexus craftsmanship. If you want a luxury SUV that's just as capable in the wilderness as it is on city streets, the 2021 Lexus GX460 is one of the toughest and most dependable used SUVs you can buy. Number 1. 2022 Lexus RX 350. The 2022 Lexus RX 350 is one of the smartest luxury SUV purchases you can make on the used market. Priced between $35,000 and $48,000, it lets you save around $15,000 compared to buying a brand new model, without sacrificing the premium experience. Inside, you'll find a spacious modern cabin with high-quality materials, advanced technology, and the comfort Lexus is famous for. Under the hood, the proven 3.5-liter V6 engine delivers smooth, reliable performance that owners trust for years of worry-free driving. If you're looking for a luxury crossover that combines value, comfort, and legendary dependability, the 2022 Lexus RX 350 is an outstanding choice that's worth every dollar. And that's our list of the 8 best used Lexus models that are better than buying new. Which Lexus would you choose? And is there another incredible model that deserves a spot on this list? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest reviews, buying guides, and automotive tips. Thanks for watching. Drive smart, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.